told y'all I was here. Anyway, come on. We not in Minnesota. We're in Cali. You probably saw it with the title. Over here, we got, the little dining room area. Something light, we got the chairs up here. Nice little kitchen space. We got the, hold on, touch water. Thanks for staying at my home. Enjoy the wine. As thank you.
Ooh.
Do a little takeover while I put my shoes on. Actually, show them the shoes,
Oh yeah, let's look at the shoes.
They gotta see the shoes.
Yes, sir.
No crease.
No crease. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy, it's fresh.
Something light.
Yes, sir.
Something light. You'll see the whole package. Let's close the door. We don't want these bugs coming in. Come out here. You want to relax. Over here. Let me show you guys something light. But anyways, you see Casey over here chilling. She already relaxing. Having her own little vibe.
Casey.
Say something to the camera.
I'm a Cali girl now.
Okay, take the camera out for you.
3:28 a.m.
Okay. All right, guys. So we got our In-N-Out. As you can see. Ooh. Well, it's kind of blurry, but yeah. Fries right here. This is the double combo.
Oh wait, take your turn so you cheers. Oh yeah, also every place we go has cardboard straws.
That mess is weak. I'm sorry. I mean, what? No, it's not weak. We saved the earth.
Okay.
Decent little shape. I just want to dig in, to be honest. The fries kind of
They taste healthy. Does that make sense or no?
healthy.
Yeah, like they taste healthier. Like
Talk a little louder.
It is healthy.
if you guys see eye bags, just know it's been a long day. And we went everywhere.
Yeah, we was all around town traveling. Our driver was stressed. see over there, you guys can't even see her, but she over there stressed, finally relaxing from a long day. Hey, you LA drivers are low-key crazy.
Y'all are rude.
Can't catch a break.
Aggressive.
Nah, man. LA compared to Minnesota driving, I'd be whipping it in Minnesota. But here, you guys are different. I don't know how you guys do it.
I'm about to dig into this burger.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You already know I'm taking it out. I'm about to be hurt if this ain't good.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Alright, bet. Let's see what's to it, guys. Let's see. Alright. I think I was scammed. What's the hype?
This tastes like Culver's.
Damn near Culver's better.
Don't get me wrong. It's not gross or anything, but this is nothing you couldn't get in Minnesota.
Bro, this is cooked. I'm sorry. See, I tried a whole bunch of burgers before, and this is basic. There's nothing special about this.
Not even a special sauce or nothing.
I'm disappointed. I'd rather go to Shake Shack. Have you had Shake Shack? You never had Shake Shack?
No, take me.
We can go. Shake Shack is way better than this.
Shake Shack, Shake Shack, if you see this, sponsor us.
But how you liking LA so far?
It's giving Minnesota, but with palm trees and a cold ocean.
That's what I'm saying. I really don't feel that different here.
Yeah.
I mean, there's fancier cars and stuff, but fancier cars, palm trees, beaches.
Everything is so expensive here. For
Way
what?
too expensive.
I tried to go get a pear leaf, just a nice little drink. $3. It's crazy.
The gas, almost $5, bro. Yeah, you guys are sick. And the thing is, you can't go anywhere. Like, if you don't have a car, it's like you would be struggling. So you gotta have a car here. Man. But I mean, I'm a little disappointed with Cali, but it's just really Corona messing things up, so it's not really that many moves. I mean, it would be cool if we knew more people over here, so they could show us around a little bit more. But you know, next time. We got what, one more full day, and then like half of a day until we go back. But so far, what you rate this out of 10?
Like a 5. Right, let me taste this. Okay. Yeah, 5.
Yeah, I give it a 5. This mess bogus. Damn near my fries is stale.
But you can taste that they were freshly made. I'll give them that. But they're cold now. That's our fault, though.
Bro, that mess is quick. Bro, In-N-Out's right there.
I know, but what do you
If it get
expect?
cold that quick, this mess wasn't fresh.
Okay, true.
It was down the street.
Yeah, that's
Literally
true.
down the street.
That's
It's
true.
less than a mile.
Yeah. Ugh. Excuse me.
Bloated?
Yeah, I'm near. Oh, guys, the matcha here. Casey, you want to talk about it? The matcha here. The matcha here is so good. It's like strong. And in Minnesota, it's not strong. But here it's strong. Yeah, high quality. FOB. Fresh off the boat.
Fresh off the.
Why are you saying FOB for that?
Bro.
Anyways, the ice cream. Oh, and their lavender drinks. They have these lavender drinks and it's actually good. I even had lavender ice cream. It's good.
The lavender go crazy. I'm honestly mad about this, but you know I'm real hungry right now, so
So it'll
I'm
do.
gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Nah, but let us know in the comments what you guys think about In-N-Out, or what's your favorite burger place in LA or wherever you guys live. Because I cannot do it with In-N-Out. It's not my favorite.
What's up with the food places here? What's up with the food place here? No way we go to pick different random ones, and they're all not good.
I know so many of the food places here haven't been good. I don't know.
You said what?
You said what?
So we need to check out the ones from my list. For real.
Alright, brother. We should have been went to your list, but yeah, so far we had food from like 5 different places already, and in different areas. So
And they all were like basic.
This is not okay. Because you know when you go on vacation, you want to try new things. You want to try what you got at your place or your state. Like In-N-Out's not in Minnesota, so we went to try it.
Not good.
I could have went to go to get Shake Shack, but Shake Shack I can do that when I get back to the crib, anyways. But yeah. But anyways, guys. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This mess was a 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Yeah, I probably won't be going back here. It's even sickening to my chest.
Chess?
I can't even breathe. But yeah, I'm done clogging my arteries, so I'll let you guys go. Leave a comment. Tell me what you want me to do next. We're going to be dropping more videos, more consistent uploads. Yeah.